Guys, I am in serious trouble. Guys, I need you to help me, please. But anyways, it's Scully Damali here. But I'm trapped in a volcano prison. Yeah, that's right. This is a volcano island, and this is Volcano Island, and I'm trapped. I'm a prisoner here. So I need you all to like smack that like button and smack the subscribe button so you never miss out on another video. But so basically my goal is I have to try to escape, okay? And be sure to make this video actually make this video the most viewed video on my channel. It has to get past at least 82 views, okay? All right, so But anyways, today's video shout out is for Trimble Farmstead Legacy, and Captain Coleslaw Outdoors and Red Creek. That's right, we have 3 today. Be sure to go check out all 3 of those channels and subscribe to them as well. All right, so let's see what we got to work with. All right, so we got a bed here, and an iron golem guard watching me. But bro, I didn't do it. I did nothing to you. Leave me alone. Oh, and I see they got a Vindicator prisoner here. Wonder what he did wrong. Probably because he has an iron axe. He's trying to kill the other villager prisoner next door to him. Yeah, and the guards here are like a snow golem, a skeleton, and an iron golem. I don't really know what to do because I can't reach the lever. I don't think the lever is gonna be an option. Do I have any? No, I just have my armor. That's the only thing I have in my inventory, technically. Could I maybe, could this help me escape? Going through the toilet? The toilet is just a cauldron. Yeah, this is part of the new update. Like, you can now go underneath, like, trapdoors like that. Yeah. Okay, I have to gotta wait till the iron golem leaves me. But guys, be sure to leave a like and subscribe so I can escape this volcano prison. The Vindicators is like going hostile right now. And if I just break this, then maybe I could escape through underneath the toilet. Dang it. Wait, no one can see me. No one can see me. No one can see Scully Damali. Come on. Come on. Break. Come on. Yes! Oh, alright. Alright. Now, let's get out of here. What? Alright, there we go. I can kind of like hear other like prisoners just like walking above me. That's a dead end. Something feels suspicious about this cracked bricks. Let's check it. Oh, wait, there's a chest. 2 pieces of bread, splash healing potion, and a splash potion of decay. Let's see where this goes. Ooh, there's a ladder. Is this the way out? Let's just find out. Ooh, this must be the cafeteria. Were they seriously planning on feeding us that garbage? I mean, come on, look at this. Look at this. Poisonous potatoes. Rotten flesh. And poisonous not raw chicken. What kind of prison is this? Viewers, don't go to jail. For real, don't ever go to jail. In case of you are wondering how I ended up in here, it's for all the crimes I committed. And that was, well, let's just say it was making a pig sacrifice and burning that villager library because of the bad trade. He wanted 24 emeralds for an Aqua Infinity book. But those are my crimes. That's why I'm in this prison. How exactly do I just... Oh, wait. Oh, there's a guard. But he's... You gotta wait till he, like... is not... Well, he can't see me right now, but... I also have to be careful. I don't think he can see me. Wait, the door is locked. Okay, the door is just not going to be an option. So yeah. He doesn't see me. Uh-huh. That was just another guard. Alright. Ooh. I bet I could escape through here, but I don't honestly don't really want to, like, try to, like, attempt this because I'll just get stuck in that. And viewers, over there, that over there is the volcano. That volcano is just really small, I know. Trying to keep Scully to Mully out. I just made a run for it. What? Oh, a wooden pickaxe, yes. Maybe I could use this to escape. How did I not get caught? I'm gonna try to take this. If I can, of course. Odds are I probably can't. Come on. Yes! Maybe if I just... I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, the golem's right there. Yeah, it's not working. If I just take this one more time. Come on. There we go. Why is it not working? Wait, I think I have an idea. What? Just happened. Oh, now that's just not fair. That's not fair. I'm sorry this is taking a while. I don't really know how I'm supposed to escape this prison. Don't go to jail, viewers. It sucks. Can't escape. What? I'm just gonna mine all the way to the trap door. Oh, and by the way, viewers, comment down below what you think my next video should be. And also, by the way, starting on January 1st, and I'm going to be doing build requests. Basically, if you comment on my videos telling me what you want me to build, I'll leave a like on your comment, and then I'll build what you want me to build. But that is only a build. It starts on January 1st of 2024, and it's gonna end on February. I think I have an idea. I think I got an idea. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Viewers, these are supposed to be like vents or sewers. I don't know. Oh wait, no, I think I know what to do now. Yeah. This is the way to the kitchen. Yes, this is the way to the kitchen. I have to because the reason why I need to head to back to the kitchen is because if I do that, then I'll be able to get to the outside, to the yard, and then I'll be able to mine the wall, and then I'll be home free. All right, I'm just running for it. I'm running for it. How did you end up in here? Wait, you didn't, sir, you didn't answer my question. How did you end up in here? You sick bastard. I'm gonna kill you and... Oh wait, I need the pickaxe. I almost destroyed my tool out of here. How dare you want something like that? Why? 12 emeralds for a piece of kelp? You two are just gonna stay there and die. Anyways, I'm just gonna get out of here. And just to make sure you two are not temptive. Bye. Yeah, just left them there. Ah. Oh, see, that's the window. Look, that's the window to the kitchen. Not the kitchen, the cafeteria. I always do this. Piggy, I'm home free. I'm heading back home. Yes, I'm out of here. Yeah, whatever. I'm home free. Let's go, guys. We did it. We escaped the volcano prison. Yes, and now I just gotta board this boat. Well, viewers, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and be sure to never miss out on any more videos. And yeah, that's that, I guess. And be sure to just comment down below what you want the next video to be, and be sure to go check out my YouTube short videos because I want them to get more popular. And be sure to share my channel as well because I want us to hit at least 50,000 subscribers. I want us to do that. I mean, sure, I don't have a lot of subscribers, but hey, it's better than nothing. I would like us to get to 50,000. But anyways, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye!